Hey guys, welcome back to V-La-Nessa. Now this is just a quick video for my J1 peeps. So I got to understand that a lot of you have not yet gotten your visa date, or if you do get it, it's a very late date, which is in September, August, and we don't want that, right? So this is just a video just to help you guys work together, right? So a subscriber reach out to me on Instagram, and if you don't want to reach out to me, yes, now follow the link here, follow the link. So yeah, she reached out to me asking me for help because she had a visa date in September, I think. I don't remember, September or August, one of those dates. And she heard me make mention to getting an earlier date in this video, so she watched it and she reached out to me asking me how she can get an earlier date, and I helped her somewhat. But then she's so smart, she took upon herself and she created a WhatsApp group and invited a lot of persons that's going through the similar experiences. So in that group, she scheduled person to watch the portal. So maybe this person watch the portal for 2 hours, next person next 2 hours. And because the embassy normally open the portals sometime in the week, we don't really know exactly which day. So the fact that she scheduled it that way, when that one person now see that the portal is open, that one person will now go into WhatsApp and say, hey, the portal is open, you guys can come on over and get an early date. And that's how she was granted a date, the 8th of June. So she should probably be already in the States right now, so kudos to she. So she gave me the link, and the link is in the description box down below. So if you guys want to work together, follow the link and join that WhatsApp group. Remember not to just go in there just to get help, go in there also to work together and to help others. So go in there with the mindset that you're going to sacrifice your time and stay at least 2 hours and watch that portal, because hey, we all need that early date, right? And a lot of them probably even gotten their dates already. So if you now can go in there and carry a person in there and you start that same momentum and help each other, that's the only way that you guys can do it, because it is impossible for one person to watch that portal for 1 week, right? So working together would get it easier and get you your visa date. Now that's it. She gave me it, and if you even don't want to follow that, just create your own WhatsApp group, do the same thing that she did, and I pray that you get that early date that you want, guys. Yes, I know it's a bit late, you probably lose hope, but don't lose hope, because in May, I don't normally make the most of my money. I make probably like $300 in May. So you have not really lost much, right? It actually starts picking up until like the ending of June, July and August. That's where you make your most money. So if you can get over there right now, even in July, you can use that 2 months, maximize and make a lot of money. And you can also extend your work permit in September or work extra. Just contact your sponsor and said, hey, this is what happened and I would like to extend my stay, or extend my work permit, and they will grant it to you and you can work at extra month, because remember, your visa have a grace period of 1 month. So do everything that you can to maximize on the time and to work as much money. So if you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up, and if you love it, just subscribe to my channel. If I help you thus far, subscribe. Drop a comment down below, let me know what's going on. I really want to know. Drop a comment. And if you already got through and you're over there, you're working your ass off, let me know what's going on. If there's a struggle, let me know. The people them want to know. You understand? So thank you for watching. Bye.